This is employee leave management system. Now I am logging as a admin. Let's take a look. So it's a dashboard. From here you can add, delete, edit. Now let's say we want to add another department. So you have to click here, admin, add department, and maybe IT. Submit. Thing. You can edit it also. And you also can delete it like that. Okay. And you can also add employees like put a name. Now let's log in as an employee. Now I'm logging as an employee. See, my name is Hello and it says welcome hello. So that's my profile and department HR. Okay, now I can apply it for my leave. So select it, maybe casual, date. See, you can also delete that leave. Now as an admin, you can approve it from this very software. So let's take a login as admin again. Now, okay, now let's take leave. So here, where employee applied for a leave, now it's up to you whether to approve or not. So let's say it's been approved. So approved. Okay, that's been saved. Now, as an employee, you got a notice that your leave have been approved. See, the status is approved. So thank you everyone for your time. See you next time.